Hadien bagi dkhot ka Hnyf kila leit pakhang ki nongjngohkai pyrthei ha umtyngar nakaliang ka seng jong Kiba Donbynta ban Kyntiew ki kam Jngohkai pyrthei ha ka Jylla kila pynrem jur ka Jingleh ka Hynniewtrep National Youth Front Hnyf ban pynphai ya baroh ki nongshangkai pyrthei ki bathmu ban nongshangkai she ki jaka bapher kenthop she sora badauki Kini kiseng ki kenthop ya ka Tourism Operators Association of Meghalaya, Federation Shillong Hotels, Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum, Tour Guide Operator Association of Meghalaya, Meghalaya Tourist Development Forum, Tour Guide Association of Meghalaya, bat kiwe. Habaya keran bat kilat pathai Khubor u President ka TOAM Bah Banlum Blah, ula ong baka seng kan sa tho sya Menteri Ketenat Jngohkai ban batai halor kane ka jingjah basngausi. Bat bandawa ban le AA de ka ba teng kibri ba persang ban pensnieu ya ka karkhana Jngohkai hapo ka Jylla. Uba bla ula pentip ban Namar kani ka jingja ki seng batre ya ki kam Jngohkai ha Meghalaya kila khot ya ki jingyalang pakerki ban ya keren halor kani ka jingja. Kalong ka ba kendet tang ya ki nongshangkai henrei ka jing kendet pa krau ka de ngi Namar hakasin ka baning kong nilayo sngo ba ki nongshangkai kila sya pensange bat sya pynphai shala ki jong ki jaka ba ki wan ong uba bla.
We are coming here today as tourism stakeholders of Meghalaya. We have so many associations here, tourism stakeholders. We've come here because of one reason. All are aware that what happened today was, in fact, so to say, a very sad day for us in the tourism industry in Meghalaya, where we have seen that tourists coming to our state to visit the tourism spots, beautiful tourism spots of our state, especially in Sora and other Dauki area, they were turned back. It is a big surprise for them, as it was also a big surprise for us, because for the first time we have seen tourists were sent away. It took us many years as tourism stakeholders in the state to build up this tourism footfall that we are having today, what we are enjoying today. Many years we had to even woo tourists to come to this place. We have to tell them, we have to explain to them, please come and visit our state. It is a beautiful state, although the infrastructure is not up to the mark, but please bear with us, come to us, to our place, so that we can build the livelihoods out of tourism and we can build this tourism industry, whatever you have seen today, because of that kind of what you call the call from us tourism stakeholders for the tourist people to visit this state. But unfortunately, what happened today, what all the efforts that we have put up for so many years has come to as naught. I say not because whatever happens today, you have seen within the next few minutes and hours, first few hours, that incident where the tourists were turned out by an NGO there in umtyngar has spread across the country and far and wide, maybe outside also, because of social media and many calls. We as tourism stakeholders, we got so many calls from all over the place, and people will say that what it is an unfortunate incident that happened in your state. We never expect that a Meghalaya, a state which is really known today as one of the top tourism state in the country, such thing can happen in this state. So this is one thing which we felt bad, and that's what we felt that we should come together and we should, as one voice, we have so much bad feelings today. All of us, our hearts were pained with what happened. So we came here, and we have so many associations here. I've come here I'm president of the Tour Operator Association of Meghalaya, and we have the president of Federation of Shillong Hotels here. We have from president of Meghalaya Rural Tourism Development Forum. We have also Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum. We have the Tour Guide Association of Meghalaya. And we have also our knowledge partners from universities, from MLCO and other universities who are giving us the tourism knowledge, whatever required as stakeholders. They are our knowledge partners. They also felt the pain that they came today here. And we have various other bodies, other forums and other associations which are directly dealing with tourism. And we all with one voice we came today, and we want to show to the world and to want to tell everybody that we are very unhappy with what happened today, and we have come here to see that our interest, our tourism business in the state is being protected, and at the same time also we want to say that all those who are in the tourism business and those who are not in the tourism in the business but enjoying the fruits of tourism, that they also they feel the pain today. And I feel that one thing we would like to say and apologize to all the tourists that have been affected today from our side, from the tourism stakeholder side, and that they should not feel what happened today is unfortunate from our side. But then we would like to welcome them back to Meghalaya, and we would like to see that all the tourists comes to the Meghalaya state, because we need them, and we would like to see that we keep on growing in this tourism sector, because this is one of the sector that gives a maximum employment to the state. We have so many youths here which are unemployed. But tourism is one industry, so to say, in the industry which is really giving benefit to all those who are affected by unemployment. So with these few words, I would like to
represent the organization of Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum. Ya Shillong ni kru yang tak sih pau ya kejing so pendit abakra, bagi kejing so si ru alor kejing jam ne ba umpoi perhan. In community ba hakan ni kejing sultanat dengan ni kayo tourism ko jam tala bun snem ya ba baroh ni suthu ikata kejing sultanat kolong halor kejing mentoy bangiyo anak ni kam livelihood kam kajam ka ba kibri kiyo lembaga ni kam sangkai pyrthei tinrei kejing jam ne kolong bathe umbaja ya baroh hoi ibe trei ni kam but ni dapat pau kejing persyak bajur bede ibat ka Jingleh jong katu seng ba syukur telep untuk step syubat iki beri stengti ba songsi kalong ba bankong pun iya ka jinglong klem akor ka Jingleh jong ki la jutep khantam katu jingja ka de hakrdop sesora ka ba paunam nam ta ka jingdon akor tin ka Jingleh jong tu seng ka pan pau ka jinglong klem akor pat ka ai ka image ba sniu ndai syu tang ya ka sora ndai ka state por koi sia ka pyrthei sabar kumalaong dei Bah Banlum Bantai yang ni kayu tourism kam ni bosuk simpor de kisnem mangi batrai kan ni kam ni sothu ba ndai magic musule magic bakan longgom ni we have hok hat we have slok but kumba kalong ni mtahi nganut ban ong ba ka de jing fresh tom de ki bri ba ya Donbynta ni kam na de bri ki ba bu ya ka kanja de bri ki banyak kali de bri ba lam guide sumo ustunat kan ni kam kam sangkai pyrthei minta ka ikam ki local jungi. It's all about local livelihood. Ban yale akai kumni bat kan kam kumni long jingja bosongsi. Hot ki issue ba per ki don ki seng balang ki don la ka jong ka hok ban ris ki concern joki tang ba ka don ka rukom le. Ban sube i ubri siteng nanti kemot kemau yang fi sai sien kapen isi dor ya ka jinglong jungi but reflect ya kadur ke bas news ya ki we pat ki benta jang pyrthei ha ka juk social media ta pher tup tiak tang dak second Khubor apoi keleng pyrthei ya ka buram ka bangiri bro skat ta ngi chepun spoil tang hapo clip mat mon de ke bas news ba da kerpa nang ni sakhmat ndai tang ya to seng ki we seng ru ba pile aku mikini kam da perhat sangi perhat jengai ba ka repercussion ka di ka bajengai ngayo kol keleng menta na ki than long kendong jengi bagi beri kelap pau ke jing bitar hawi re kan ke jing jam ne si dei hok bakin bitar nomor la kata jakpo jaki ham tam ha kan ke juk ka ba mo ka bang ye perkhat man phai khambha se ki kam ki bolong sustainable la ong to nya sange no kati mau to nya sange no kati mongsun rei sudon bok wa blai ru dai terpang yang ni ri khasi jungi bau ai aku we jing khu bau ai makan long jaka ka ba itanan de we ni resource ba ibri gila ban sim ka bui kani ban kamai kendong jakpo tin ba haba ibri gila le sitom kumni nga kren hakabe de bat ibri ba invest ha kinong kendong ya kinong kendong ban sim lun silak arlak de kamba suk Bapelikan rat kila sim lagi luan ban seng ki homestay ban seng ki dukan joki dai kumkin ki jingja mut penseir ka kama ja kepo joki tinah takadau da karpat banang ni syakmat kumnga ong hi ki isu gini ki seng balang ki don lagi jong ki hok ban penpau ki jing jongki le ha kom ko badai kan barbor ka dang kom ban le kata ban asif yang ngono ke jing ni kan ngono ke jing kwa amde ban su de jubor kum tu ndai barbor hi ke de lamba ke jing kren ke jing suthu bat ke jing penbek da ka ba ya suthu lang iwe ni em ha kan ni jaka ka ba wat ju perhat mangi la ban em ban long isolated tingkan mau hi barbor mangi rudang hablet sabe bene phone ki khun jongaru pule sabar wangi songs ir marba yo sakta sayangi ru ki khasi ki basa sabar ke Jylla Meghalaya nakakadaw banga ong hi insist pa nang ni sakmat le da jing songthu bat le ru da jing kit khli ba kai kai baja hang ni kala ban kata kala yong kerto kala segi student sungi ki basa sabar ke Jylla jing ka tourism kadai open business open market nga songthu ka hok hi ba ong la dingi pendon kami ke resource jongi ba ke Jylla jongi sodon hak hi sya bagin kamai shua ki try jongi mo try Jylla tiang ta kadang kurkom ban le kata ka tourism kadai competition ru haba pile bahai ubri unjit yapi ti saperhat bahai kani jing ajumot hi nakalian jongi kalong ba nang ni sakmat continue ki issue jongpi tang ba burom ru ya ka po joki bai tengah keren ni kani lasai ka sing kan sodon ke Jylla ba he bah po like kro ojrong ti ka ba baroh ki stakeholder jong tourism ki badai nong pendong kin sai simbenta ban penpau ke jing persya lor ke jing jam ne reski bat ban ni keren sani kum no ban penti kena ba mungkin ki jing ja nang ni sakmat ke ban ja su
we have lost a lot, and it took us a real it took us so much to recover from these losses, and the normalcy is not there again as it used to be, and tourists, they get frightened, they get scared, and instead of coming here, they're going somewhere else, to Thailand, to other places. Arunachal is coming up, and then
Yeah, because the other destinations are picking up now. So what we're losing now, we may lose for years together, because other destinations will take as a golden opportunity for them to take away the tourists from Meghalaya and to take to their place. And once tourists start visiting other destinations, it will be difficult for those tourists again to come back to Meghalaya. And then the lots of they're getting good publicity. So then that is what we are afraid of.
One related question.
Yes.